We're here at the Kanaya Hotel in Kanagawa, and we're gonna try a public bath experience. Now, this particular hotel has two different types of bath. There's a Four Seasons, and there's also a Greek tub experience. And what they do is they switch the two back and forth between men and women each day, 2 times a day. So everybody gets to try everything. So when you enter the spa, you have to take your shoes off. Like almost every room that you go into, to any residence or anything like that, you have to take your shoes off. Then you take a number like this, clip it onto your shoes, and you're good to go.
So this is a very popular experience here in Nikko. It's a Japanese public bath. Now when you go into a Japanese public bath, there's a very specific set of rules that you have to do. For one thing, you don't wear any clothes. Everybody goes in naked. Okay, so I have just changed into my birthday suit. And before you go into any of the water, you have to have a bath with soap and water and clean yourself completely off because you are sharing the water with everyone. You come into this room. This is a beautiful, tranquil room. Now, when you come in, this is your dressing area where you get to leave all of your stuff. You all have your little basket. It has everything that you need. Water, hair, supplies, toothbrushes. You take your robe. You know, when you get in and out of the tub, you don't have to be naked in front of everybody all the time. So this is a really classy Japanese bath here. You have your full shower area. So you want to make sure that you clean yourself off completely here and rinse. So I haven't done, I'll do that later. You don't get to see that. But you want to clean yourself off, wash your hair, wash your face, wash everything, wash your skin, your feet, and then you get to go into the hot tub. And that water is hot. What a tranquil setting this is. It's beautiful. It's just stunning. Now this is the life. This is the indoor steam room area. It's nice and hot out here. Hot bath, of course, with the fountain. It's very feng shui. Oh yeah, I'm going to be spending a lot of time in that steam room. This is just a great way to unwind after a day of hiking the trails of Nikko. Just come and have a bath, and then you get to go into your robe in your room and spend the rest of the night relaxing in your
Ah, that's a little bit of heaven in a Japanese spa.
Dave and I had special permission to enter the bath during the off hours, but normally men and women are not together and are in separate areas. So because you go into the Japanese baths naked, all of the saunas are not co-ed. There's a men's sauna and a women's sauna. They have, you know, all the female things that you need, and then when you come into men, they have aftershave and all the men's lotions and everything. So it's really cool. The men's sauna definitely has a more masculine feel, but it's great. You know, they have saunas, they have steam rooms, hot baths, and it is all from the hot springs that are from nearby. So when you come to Japan, you must do a Japanese public bath. It's very unique and it is oh so heavenly. Oh, that was heavenly. And that was our spa experience.
And you don't get to see any more.
Nope. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sayonara. They have a foot dryer. It's a foot dryer. Love it. Yep, the toilet seat goes up automatically. It's state-of-the-art toilets. When you're in Japan, you have to make sure you use your toilet slippers.